So today at the garage we had a Subaru Forester XT coming with a customer complaint of a rattling noise coming from the engine. On top of that, the vehicle's charging system wasn't working properly. At first, an engine rattle can make you think of serious internal engine problems. But after a thorough inspection, we traced the issue to the alternator. Its bearings were badly worn, causing the rattling noise, and the alternator had also failed, which explained the charging problem. We replaced the faulty alternator with a new one, tested the charging system, and started the engine. The charging system was back to normal, and the rattling noise was completely gone. This is a great reminder that not every engine noise means major engine damage. Accurate diagnosis saves time, money, and unnecessary repairs. Always inspect before you replace. Kama kawa, fundi ni mjamo, karibuni Blue Gum Auto Garage.